Hi everybody, how are you today? I'm here to do a little bit more science with you. Today it is an experiment which is going to demonstrate, it's going to show you the importance of washing our hands. So I have got a bowl with just a little bit of water in it, you can see. I've got some fairy liquid, but just washing up liquid. And I've popped a little bit of it on this plate and I'll show you why in a second. I've also got some ground black pepper. So the black pepper in our house, we keep it in this little Tupperware tip. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how soap pushes away, repels germs. Okay, so if we take some of this, so this black pepper, we're going to pretend that this is germs. And sprinkle it all over our water. A little bit more. Okay. And I'm just going to swap hands. I'm going to pop my finger in there and see if it does anything. Not really, a little bit, not lots. Okay, I've got a bit of pepper on my hand. Oh, you can't see because it's not in focus. So, you can still see that all the pepper is all over the top of the water, and it's called the surface of the water. And you might notice if you ever drop a little tiny bit of water that it makes itself into a ball, into like what we call a water droplet. And that's because water is very clever. It has something that's called surface tension, which holds it together. And that's how things float, okay? And this pepper is floating all over the surface of the water. It's a little bit like a skin. Now, I'm going to just dip my finger in my washing up liquid. You could probably use soap for this, but I know that washing up liquid definitely works. So imagine that these are all the germs. They're all over things, all over my hands. And then this is my soap. And I'm about to wash my hands at the sinks, about to have my lunch. And this is what soap does to the germs. Did you see them being pushed away? The soap was running away. It was running off. Oh, I don't know whether it'll work again. No, it won't. Running off away from the soap. And that is why it is so important that we use soap, because the soap will push the germs away, push them away, get them all off our hands, and then we're safe to touch things and eat our lunch, okay? So why don't you try this at home with the help of a grown-up? It's really simple, and it shows that soap breaks the surface, the skin of the water, and allows the germs to be pushed off when we are washing our hands. All right, so have fun with this one. Nice simple one for you to try this week. Send us some photos if you give it a try. Take care, and I shall see you again next week. Bye bye.